MeghalayaPost.news.
Ki sanpu prangot ki MDC wala jet mai de ki pajba ha Khas Hills Autonomous District Council wat ha Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council menta ke singi kala shim ya gebanta ban bam Smai na gebanta ban shimti ya kelingkor nong yalam ni economic khmat MDC shakti ki yeng thau an ha KHDC bat JHDC ya geding pen bam Smai ya ki ap khandai ngot ki MDC ka KHDC la pen bam Smai da ka deputy commissioner ka East Khas Hills ka kong RM Kurba bala pelong ha hall ka KHDC Shillong ha ba phai sha Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council u deputy commissioner ka West Jhadc Hills u Abhinav Kumar Singh ula shim ya gebanta kum kongsan ban pen bam Smai ya ki ap khandai ngot ki MDC batmai bala jet ki pajba
as fixed today, the 27th February 2025, as the first meeting of the reconstituted District Council for the administration of an oath or affirmation to the newly elected members as required under Rule 24 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous Districts Constitution of the District Council Rules 1951.
Having been elected as member of the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established.
I, Khadc, having been elected as a member of the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Shri Vidyo Nabrantam, having been elected as a member of Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
MeghalayaPost.news.